Alright guys, I'm going to try to get a cold start on this SS here, this Camaro 2017 Camaro Chevrolet. On the dash, that is. That's right. Look at that. SS, baby, 2017. Got a lot of miles on. I don't care. I love this thing. It got both speakers in it. Got the settings, everything. Lock it. Got your trunk for your trunk right here. Camaro SS. Woo! Love this thing, man. Starting to quiet down now. Nice. Got the running daylights right there. It needs some work on it, needs some cosmetic work, but that's nothing, man. That ain't nothing. You fix that yourself. If you don't know how to fix it, just go on YouTube. Everything you want to know and learn is on YouTube. I'm a YouTuber. That's how I learned how to be a YouTube creator, what I do. Watching others, what they do. See the different sound than when I first started up? It's done mellowed out now, right? Cool beans, baby. Cool beans. Ooh, I love this, man. For some reason, something about this SS is just special to me. That's why I asked him to do. I usually don't get a cold start on used cars, but as soon as I seen it, as soon as I pulled up and seen it, I'm like, dang, man, this is nice, because it's an SS. First of all, it's an SS. But anyway, that's it. You guys have a great day. It's Uncle Mike 392. I'm signing off. I'll see you guys on the other side. Later.